Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by putting the phone in a safe workspace. You should power it down and remove the SIM tray to avoid pressure. Once done, you open Settings and check Face ID status to capture the exact error message. Make sure you have pentalobe and tri-point drivers, a plastic spudger, suction cup, and a replacement front sensor cable. Begin by loosening the display screws, lift the screen carefully at one corner, and keep track of screws so you can reverse the process later. Now you disconnect the battery and then remove the metal bracket over the front camera and sensor assembly. This protects the logic board from accidental contact. You should carefully unseat the sensor flex connectors, using a plastic tool to pry at the tab. Do not force. Inspect the connectors and flex for bent pins, corrosion, or adhesive contamination, and compare the new sensor flex side by side with the removed one to confirm connector orientation and length before proceeding to transplant components. Reattach the replacement sensor flex, then reconnect the battery and temporarily position the display without sealing to run a test. You should boot and go through Face ID setup. This confirms a hardware fix. If it fails, make sure connectors are fully seated, gently heat adhesive to improve contact, or swap in a known good sensor to isolate the fault. Finally, when Face ID works, fully reseat the screen, torque screws correctly. And remember, secure enclave faults need professional tools and may not be repairable at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.